Yo, what's up, boys? So I'm set up here at the end of the rally run. I just came through with my Jeep to get this shot of them at the end, and man, it's gnarly in there.
Stay left through the incline.
There's some major puddles, some new ruts.
Got a right 3 over crest at the top of this.
Hopefully these guys make good time and are safe at the same time. I'm gonna get out of the shot and get a nice shot of them coming down, so. Out.
So let's back up a bit. This is our third official rally run, but we're well acquainted with this trail. But this time, we mapped out every turn. Using footage from our last 2 videos, we made pace notes for the course. But with a changing natural landscape, you just can't account for everything.
What's up, fellas? What's going on, man? Not much, buddy. How we living? Living well. Oh, what you been up to, Doc? Bro, we're getting all tuned up. Had to give the Red Kart a once-over, front to back, check all the key systems because I don't know if you've heard or not, but we're going to Cars and Cameras.
Yeah, buddy.
John invited us to the Dust Bowl 500. He's got a new oval track. We're gonna get out there, we got a new kart for it. We're gonna lay down a lap around the Grand Prix on just about everything we own. And because of that, we had to make a new acquisition.
Yeah, we got a new trailer, so we can bring all our toys with us. So it's a little bigger than we used to have.
Yeah.
So I think we can carry everything.
Yeah, we'll get this cart, Big Bob's cart, the Rascal, as well as our new yard cart for the 500. So this is gonna be cool.
It's gonna be sick. But for today, it's time for rally run number 3.
Nice.
We have updated our map here, and I think it's gonna work a lot better. We have all the turns mapped out. We've been down this trail quite a few times, and now we have like a pretty legit kind of step-by-step of the whole track. So we're gonna see if we can get our time just a little bit quicker.
I think we can.
I think we can do that.
I'm feeling good today.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Should we get into it?
Let's get into it.
Yeah, buddy. All right.
Is this our sharp pointy boulders?
Those are the sharp pointy boulders.
Oh, I missed them.
You gonna count me in, Trevor?
All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
All right, buddy boy.
So we're staying left to start. And we're starting off with the right 6 long and the left 6 long.
You're good. You alright? You alright? Yeah. Okay, quick, everybody out. That's gasoline and water. Are you alright? Yeah. You guys nothing broken? Nothing's broken. Okay.
As soon as we get out, let's look at this thing over. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, that's bad.
Okay. Crap. There's some good news and there's some bad news.
How are you feeling?
I'm actually feeling okay. My rib is, I don't know if it's a rib.
Let me see.
It feels like more of a muscle.
Okay.
I think I just hit.
Damn. Well, that was gnarly as Do me a quick favor, run the steering wheel back and forth. Our whole front end is fine, which is pretty wild. The car took it like a champion. Basically what ended up happening was we came through this a little hotter than we should have. And you can see I tried to stay wide because I thought that's kind of what we talked about. So I recorrected, swung it the other way. I was steering back out of it, but couldn't get it back around fast enough to, we came into this. But bro, honestly, where we ended up,
That's so soft.
we're really lucky because that's a big boulder under there, I think. Big boulder.
Wow.
Yeah, because look, we went here,
We hit
then
here.
this bounced up. This is where we turned and slid in sideways.
Jesus. That's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
The flag's still flying.
Hey. Yeah, we're all fine. We had a little mishap. We slid off the road and broke one of the rear hubs. Yeah, so we have the hubs, but I think the easier thing to do right now might be to just hook up the trailer and come out here. It's that, or I hope that there's nothing else wrong with this thing and you have to find me the correct hub. I don't know if I have, okay. I'm gonna call you on something called Google Duo. And then do you have a one that's got a bigger flange than that at the bottom or no? Those are 4x4. Is there one with an even bigger flange at the bottom?
Not in this group.
GT, that's the one. Okay, so hold that up against the other one that you have with the bearings in it. Okay, those are the two we need.
Rescue vehicle.
What's up, boys?
This is where it went down.
Any blood?
No.
No.
All right, good. I'm glad you guys are okay.
It's not gonna work. I mean, I can get the parts on order. It's not a problem for parking cameras. As far as getting us out of here right now.
Is it too early to say I was worried about this little run tonight?
I was too.
Yeah.
I mean, we're really struggling. The front hub is completely destroyed.
So the front's busted up too?
Yeah, it's bad.
So, you're telling me the only option is the trailer, is what I'm hearing.
Yeah. I'm sorry. This is just where we're at right now.
Yeah, no, it's not good.
Keep coming up. Keep coming up. Stay that way. Let's try right here. Let's try right here. Trevor, can I get a push? Yeah. On the trailer.
What took you so long?
Want to get one more going, Trevor?
Oh, we're good.
We're good, Trey.
All right.
That's okay right there. You're good. You're good. Let me help you. Good job.
got a roller.
We're home. I'll fix it later. Well, that didn't exactly go as planned,
Not quite.
but we're all right.
We're okay.
Yeah,
I'm glad you're okay.
Yeah.
me too. And damage doesn't look too bad, just a couple of hubs that are gonna need replacing. I'll get those on order with GoPro Sports, and we should be good to go for putting down a lap time on a Grand Prix. I'll save all my aggressive driving between now and then for lap times.
Yeah, that's a good call.
Yeah. That might be a little bit before we do another rally run,
Yeah, we'll take it easy for a while.
but there's plenty of sending in our future, so
That's right.
Yeah,
not to worry.
that's a good call.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
See you guys.